Yo, yo, yo. It's the most muscular day trader back at it again. Ah, damn, not trading for fucking 3 days feels like hell, bro. I think I'm addicted to this shit. Let's do some market analysis before market open. I can't lie, I already know what's happening today, bro. We are bullish, man. I don't even have to look. But I still will, you know. Oh, shit. Maybe not. Okay. So we swept out this key level on the daily. Check the daily on ES. We also swept down ES, and now we're back at that price. We have a very obvious opening gap, the daily opening gap. Excuse me. On both pairs. On the ES it's bigger, but no, it's an open gap regardless. What trend are we currently in? We haven't really broken to the downside yet because it hasn't closed. But yeah, I think it's a sweep of liquidity before I move up. But yeah, on the 4 hour, we have broke to the downside though. But that's just a bigger time frame retrace, I think. Let's mark this out. That's a draw on liquidity. Where is the next draw for the lows? Look at this shit, bro. God damn. Unless we're gonna drop all the way there, I don't see us going any lower. Maybe there's some more. Oh, another one that got sucked here. There's a bit of an SMT following it too. So yeah, ES is yet to sweep it. So ES is a bullish leading one. We already know that because it's at all-time highs. Before, it has been at all-time highs before NQ. And also you see NQ swept this and went up while ES is just going up now. Okay. The 2 hour, we are bearish as well. Once again, I think that's going to change. Ugh. I'll also delete this. It's already been swept. I'm going to leave that there to show that there's an SMT. Let me just make it easy for myself. SMT. SMT. On the 2 hour, let's see what's going on. We inversed that gap on the 2 hour, but NQ is not fully inversed. But yeah, it got bought up, inversed. I think this is a little retrace into equilibrium. I would say so, at least. See what ES is saying. I mean NQ. I'm looking at the bullish pair if I'm going for longs anyways, so I'm gonna ignore that this didn't inverse. It's basically did, come on now. Yes, inverse that fully. On the 1 hour, yeah, we inversed on the 1 hour though. Okay, that's good. Yeah, on both pairs too. When they traded into equilibrium on both pairs and bought out of it on both pairs. Let's mark out that 1 hour high. Could be another draw on liquidity. We got London highs too. Yeah, and that's almost equal to the 1 hour highs. I'm tempted to just long this on market open, you know. It's like, but I won't, because that's not my trading plan. But yeah, that looks good for longs. 15-minute, nothing really going on there. Look at that, another SMT, bro. It's kind of equal lows. But yeah, we kind of swept that and got a bit of an SMT. Template SMT. Done ES, I mean NQ. We did not. Oh, what did I just do? Go away. I've never used an alert on this shit. Okay. I don't like that. Magnet, help me out. There you go. Okay. So what am I looking for now? we already kind of started uptrend in London, so I'm looking for a continuation in New York session. It's only 1 minute. So what I want is a 5-minute manipulation, if you know continuation. So we need a market open, a little 5-minute manipulation. Got some pizza here. I'm gonna sprinkle some honey on it because if you don't put honey on your pizza, I don't know, bro. You're gay or something. I like my shit sweet. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I hope it gives us an entry though. Even the sweep of this 5-minute will be nice. All right, not now though. Damn. Fuck is your issue? Okay, 3 minutes. Let's check if there's any news. Yesterday was a bank holiday. Today we got, I don't know, WEF meetings. Tomorrow there's some, oh, Trump speaking. Shit, I might just enter short. Any full portable days? No. The rest of the week is looking nice for news though. Yeah. So if we're not bullish today, we will be tomorrow. I'm happy with the no trade day today. I was playing some basketball. I got back on the charts. And I dunked for the first time ever, bro. It was sick. I'm like 6'3". I don't know how I've only started dunking now, but hey, better late than never. Let me show the video. Ignore the messy room. There it is. Come on. See that yet? Who is that? Boom. LeBron James. LeBron James. There it is. Okay. But yeah, man. Starting off the year strong. This is why we don't skip leg day anymore. Oh, this is really good. Oh, we got that sweep. Oh, and we got a SMT out of it. Fuck. And it's in equilibrium. It's closing out of it soon. Bro, I'm tempted to just long this shit out of fucking open, bro. God damn. I know this shit is going up. Imagine catching this, bro. Imagine catching this shit. But you know we're not doing that. Or are we? Have to wait till market open, man. This is just gonna rip up, bro. I can smell it. I can smell it in my bones. And I'm gonna get FOMO not being able to enter. Unless we were sweeping these highs to then get a lower drop first. but I doubt that. This is gonna rip up. Yup, what'd I tell you? Got London highs soon. Still waiting on a 5-minute manipulation. Okay, these have been taken. Don't want my shit to be overcrowded. Let me remove some of this. This too. We are so clearly bullish today, but I'm gonna wait. I like that we left London there. Hopefully it stays that way for a bit. Maybe ES will go down and sweep some more lows. I wouldn't mind another 5-minute manipulation. Damn, I also fell on my ass, bro. That court is so slippery. I was trying to drive by some nigga and then boom. Like, I was on the, like, I was fucking horizontal on the floor. This, bro. My ass cracked, bro. And I hurt my elbow. My hand started bleeding. But we still finished the 1v1. And that's still one, you know? I'm him. I didn't get the dunking game, though. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen here. It's a strong rejection. I bet the tilt is now bearish because of that shit. Nah, it's still long. As it should be. If you didn't catch these longs today, you're a dumbass. 2 minutes until it's close. Come on, give us some manipulation. And also I have to keep an eye out for my biases being completely wrong. Because last time I took the trade, I didn't notice that we're actually showing more signs to the downside than to the upside. I was too focused on high time frame. I know I said I should be, but that should give me my initial bias. It shouldn't just lock it. I should be able to update my bias as the market plays out. Because everything was screaming bullish in front of me and I was still looking longs. I mean bearish. Our London highs. I doubt we get a manipulation now, so I'll be happy with the retrace. And there's also a bit of an S&T right now, so it could just flip. Buys completely. I'm still long. There's way too many draws to the upside. Look at these stacked highs, bro. Alright, opening gap too, bro. It's looking too nice. Oh shit, bro. This is what I did not want, man. Give me an entry, bro. And Q is a bullish pair for some reason. Is it because the opening gap is bigger? Okay. Maybe ES taps into that equilibrium. Hope so, hope so. No, that's not right. Let me keep it. Let's be sensible here. And Q is the one that's going to be tapping first, huh? Okay. Okay, this could just be a reversal, so we have to be careful when we're taking longs. I hope it forms a fair value gap here. Some wishful thinking for us. This tiny ass is gonna get unformed unless 40 seconds. For us to break structure, we either have to the downside, we have to close below 0.78 or inverse this fair value gap if it gets created. But if we don't do that, I'm still bullish. It looks like I will be still bullish. There is no longer a fair value gap here. What about on ES? Okay, I have to be ready for an entry, Loki. On NQ, 2 contracts. Oh, there's an S&T on ES though. Let's give us a better R. RR. Loki wood, 10 contracts. Okay, we'll take the trade on ES. 10 contracts. Risking 500, closing 30 seconds. Let's see. Five, 2, 1. Bye.
Order filled.
Okay. We're in. Let's see where our target is. 6914. Oh. Yeah, it was already there. Okay. Why do we break even? Loki, there's nowhere. We need a break-even point. I don't even know. go, bro. Well, maybe if NQ touches this first, we'll break even. Might not even get there, bro. I might get stopped out. Surely not, right? What the fuck? What happened?
Order
Yo!
filled.
What the fuck? Oh. I was so sure we were bullish today, man. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Lost another 500, bro. That's crazy. Nah, I gotta see this play out. So what was that, manipulation? Is it retracing into this rally gap now? If this goes up after this, bro. Waited for this to close. I think, yeah. I should have waited for this to close above that high. If we didn't get that closure. So we didn't even break structure yet. Damn. Yeah, this would have been a better entry, this inverse right here. Fuck. Oh, nothing I can do about it now. My account is locked. Hey, I'm not that upset though. We got 1K left. Ooh, starting off the week strong with a loss. Damn. That fair value gap in a hole too. Yeah, I might as well end the video now. I just hit the gym. See you.